Welcome. Come inside. We'll take you around the tour for EFKS Porirua mansion. So this is the living room of the mansion. It has a few couches in here. Enough for all the visitors that so welcome to the lounge. So this is the dining room. Welcome to the dining room. In the middle we have a large dining table with 6 chairs, all to host and not only families and church members that come here, but yeah, so this is where we feast and be joy and be happy. So this room is our rumpus room. This is where we come and we hang out before we move into the dining room or to the sitting room or to the lounge. And over there is our kitchen. It has everything in there that we need to live comfortably. Follow me as I take you through to the bedrooms and the master bedroom. So we've transformed this room into a walk-in wardrobe, and in here are all the whaletua and the whiwhiao's church outfits. Yeah, so this is one of the rooms that is upstairs. It's quite a big room. All the beddings have been brand new. So there's a king size room and it fits a king size bed and a single bed in here. This is the guest room. It also has a king bed, and with it it's an ensuite, so it has its own bathroom and its own toilets here. So when our guests arrive, they can utilize this facility and just relax in this room. So we're now in the master bedroom where the minister and his wife rest, and it's an ensuite as well. It also has its own walk-in wardrobe here. But yeah, from this you can also look down and see everything that's happening within your community, within your church community. So really nice open windows, and the curtains are brand new as well. I think across the whole house they've put some elements of culture. Most of these handicrafts have been made by the whaletua herself, just to beautify this residence. Come with me as I take you downstairs. Come on. So we're just going to show you across the downstairs rooms. So yeah, come with me. So in here we have the office, so where the minister can come and plan his sermons for the week and whatever else he needs to do. We also have kind of like a meeting lounge in here where people can come and do their counseling and yeah, their private conversations in here. So here's one of the bedrooms downstairs. It's a huge bedroom, and in it can fit a Californian king, and we also have a little child's bed in here. So this is the last bedroom of the house, and it also is a large bedroom, and it can fit a queen bed and a single bed. So downstairs has its own bathroom and yeah, and toilet facilities. So okay, and this is the garage, and like all Samoan families, we usually change the garage into something else other than the car. And in here we've got some of the things that extra stuff for storage that we need stored, so to run the ngaluenga and to make sure that we've got everything that we need for the church. That's the end of our tour. We hope you enjoyed. Come again next year. Till Thursday for what?